Moringa. You might be hearing this word more and more these days, and trust me, it's worth the hype. This plant, often called the miracle tree, is changing the health game. Coming from the foothills of the Himalayas, moringa has been used for centuries to treat various ailments. Today, science is catching up to what traditional medicine has known for years. Moringa is packed with nutrients. We're talking vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, the works. It's like nature's own multivitamin, ready to supercharge your health, and the best part, it's incredibly versatile. You can eat the leaves, use the powder, or even drink it as a tea. Let's dive into the treasure chest of nutrients that moringa offers. This plant is bursting with vitamins like A, C, and E, all essential for a healthy immune system and glowing skin. But that's not all. Moringa is also a rich source of minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron, crucial for strong bones, balanced electrolytes, and healthy blood. Think of moringa as a gift basket of antioxidants. These powerful compounds fight free radicals in our bodies, protecting us from cell damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's like having an internal army fighting for your health day in and day out. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, belly fat. We all want to get rid of it, and moringa might just be our new best friend in this battle. Studies suggest that moringa can help reduce belly fat accumulation. It does this by regulating blood sugar levels, which helps control those pesky cravings. Moringa is also known to boost metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Imagine it like this. Moringa is like adding kindling to a fire, making it burn hotter and faster. However, remember, moringa is not a magic bullet. It works best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Don't just take my word for it, let's look at the science. Studies have shown that moringa can lower cholesterol levels, a major risk factor for heart disease. Other studies suggest that it can help regulate blood sugar levels, a boon for those with type 2 diabetes. Researchers are continually discovering new benefits of moringa. It's exciting to see ancient wisdom validated by modern science. This miracle tree is proving to be a valuable tool in our quest for healthier lives. Section 5. Brewing your way to wellness. Moringa tea. One of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to incorporate moringa into your routine is by drinking it as tea. Moringa tea has a slightly earthy and spinach-like flavor that many people find pleasant. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to make. Simply add a teaspoon of moringa powder to a cup of hot water, and let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. You can add a dash of honey or lemon for taste. Moringa tea is a refreshing and healthy alternative to your regular cuppa. Section 6. Moringa in action, real people, real results. I've seen firsthand the incredible impact moringa can have on people's lives. Many of my viewers have shared their success stories with moringa, from increased energy levels to improved digestion and even weight loss. One viewer, Sarah, shared that after incorporating moringa into her daily routine, she felt more energized and focused throughout the day. Another viewer, John, reported that moringa helped him manage his blood sugar levels. These stories are a testament to the power of this incredible plant. Section 7. Incorporating moringa into your daily routine. Now, you might be wondering, how do I add moringa to my already busy life? It's easier than you think. You can add moringa powder to your smoothies, soups, or even sprinkle it on your salads for an extra nutritional punch. Get creative. You can add moringa to your yogurt, oatmeal, or even bake it into your favorite muffins. The possibilities are endless. Remember, a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it as needed. Section 8. A word of caution: moringa and potential side effects. While moringa is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects. Some people may experience mild digestive discomfort like diarrhea or nausea, especially when they first start taking moringa. It's always a good idea to start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications, it's crucial to consult your doctor before adding moringa to your diet. Section 9. Embrace the power of moringa. Moringa is more than just a trendy superfood. It's a nutritional powerhouse with the potential to transform your health. From boosting energy levels to supporting weight management and fighting free radicals, moringa offers a range of benefits supported by both ancient wisdom and modern science. Give moringa a try and experience the difference for yourself. You might just discover your new favorite way to enhance your well-being and feel your best.